All right, guys, good morning or afternoon. Um, if you're watching this, you know I'm going to be pulling some of you to the back for testing. Okay, if you are not being pulled for testing, here is the plan. We finished, or most of us finished our focus question for Tea with Milk and for Grandfather's Journey yesterday. Okay, we are moving along today. Okay, the first thing you guys are going to do is a notice and wonder for a new text. The new text is called The Keeping Quilt by Patricia Polico. Okay, if you haven't already, go ahead and grab one of these books. They should be underneath of your team's bin. Okay, if you got it, awesome. Okay, the next thing you're going to need to do is go to Google and then go to our Google Classrooms. Okay, the classroom you need is Miss Michelle's third grade ELA/social studies. So click on there. Then at the top, you'll see stream and classwork. You're going to click on classwork and then go to the very first one. It should say Thursday, April 18th, 2024. Okay, so there is 1 and 2 so far. Number 1 is what to do today. Okay, this is probably where you found today's video. Okay, you need to watch this first and then you can go to the read aloud. So where is it? Here we go. So here's your notice and wonder chart. Okay, you guys should grab one of these from underneath your bin as well. And you're gonna wanna put your name and today's date. And then where you see text name, go ahead and pause so you can write the keeping quilt. Okay, hopefully you paused and you have your name, your date, and the name of our new book. Okay, you're going to do your normal notices. What are some things that you see as you watch and read? And your wonders. So what questions do you have? Okay, when you write your wonders, I do not want to see you guys start with I wonder. Okay, you want to use the question words right at the bottom. Who, where, when, what, why, or how. Okay, I am not setting how many you need to write. Okay, some of you feel comfortable writing maybe 2 notices and 2 wonders, and I know some of you are capable of writing 10 notices and 10 wonders, or 6 notices, 6 wonders. All I ask is that you push yourself and write as many things that you see that you think are interesting and as many questions that you can think of so we can go over these questions tomorrow in class. See, you can go to number 2 on our Google Classrooms. There is a YouTube video, The Keeping Quilt. You can go ahead and watch the text. You can follow along in yours, and you can even pause. If you find a page that you think is interesting, you can pause the video, you can write your notice, write your wonder, and then resume. It is self-paced, as long as you get through what you need to get through today. Okay, so after you're done that, on the back of your notice and wonder chart is an exit ticket. Put your name and the date. And the directions say, reflect on what you have learned from reading The Keeping Quilt. In the space below, write 3 events from the text, 2 questions you would like answered, and 1 notice as you read. You can think, what did you think was interesting? And there are little dots where you can write your 3 events, your 2 questions, and 1 thing that you notice. Okay, yes, you can use the questions from the front for your classwork on the back. The events, you just need to think of what happened in the book that you think was important, and 1 notice or 1 thing that you saw that you thought was interesting. Okay, if you are done, the front and the back of your sheet, take a peek at the posters up in the front of the room. Make sure you have done the Ed puzzle and the role communities reading and the exit ticket on the back. If you've done those two things, yes, you can choose a may do at the bottom as long as you're respectful and quiet to the people still working. Okay, that is all. I will see you guys very shortly, I'm sure. Bye.